Welcome back to xtype. Okay, I'm going to do an intercooler flush and turbo clean together with the boost pipes. Now I'm going to figure out how to take the bumper off first. I've never taken the intercooler off on the Jaguar. I have on the BM. I know how to do it on the BM, it's quite easy, but the Jaguar I've never done it. So I'm going to take the bumper off and then I'm going to have a look how the intercooler comes off, and then I'll go back to videoing. But the bumper, if I can try and get in there, oh, I can't get in. Where is it? Up here there's a bracket. You won't be able to see it, but up here there's a bracket. There's a nut in front and then there's a nut after the nut, if you get what I mean. It's a 10mm, that needs to come off. This is already broken anyway, so that needs to come away from the bumper. You've got two underneath here, those need to come off. I mean, mine's completely toast, so there's one here, one is here, one here for this cover, and there's one there, and I do believe there's going to be two more there, I believe. Looks like there's two holes there, so one there, and one in the corner there. But as far as I know, this doesn't all have to come off. You can just basically let it flap down a bit. That's all that's held on with it, and the rest is held on with the wheel trim. And after you've done all those bolts underneath, you have to release this one, 10mm, and again 10mm, and again 10mm, and there's another bolt inside the wheel well for the other side of the bumper, and then you just basically pull it out. So I'll do that and then we'll come back. Okay, we're back. Now the intercooler. Have a look at this one. I think there's, yeah, so there's 8mm there that you need to remove, and there's another one just behind this pipe. Now that's an absolute arse ache, because this is the aircon pipe here. You can't take that off because all the air is going to come out. So what I've done is I've taken off the radiator 8mm, both sides, and I've managed to, is that still in its bracket? See, yeah, that's still in its bracket. So I've managed to just carefully just pry it out of here without breaking that clip. Very, very carefully. Just moved it to the side using a screwdriver, and then I've pushed this to the side to get it out of the way, and then I can just about get my 8mm on. It's coming off now, I think. Okay, that's come off now. Let's get the rest of the ones off. And it's these, just this one I think, it's attached to the intercooler. Yeah, just this one. Unbelievable amount of crud in there, look at that. Yeah, it's got 175,000 miles on it now. Okay, that one's off. And now okay, let's have a look. Oh. Okay, I believe it is loose now. It's just these pipes stopping it now. Remember, you need to loosen your boost pipes as well. They're 7mm. I'm going to try and do this without damaging. I think I have to replace this hose, it doesn't look too good. Right, I'm going to get these boost hoses off and I'll come right back. So the intercooler's all but loose now. This pipe is an absolute bastard to release from this end. You're better off doing it from the EGR valve here and just pull it through once you got the intercooler off. So just to recap, as I showed you, 1 8mm this side, holding it to the aircon compressor, I believe, or is it the radiator? I think it's the radiator here. You got one here, 8mm. You don't need to remove that because you can just squeeze it through that hole. 1 8mm here, and another 8mm there. Again, loosen your boost pipe, and you just pull. And you just pull, as I said. Right, there we have it, it's out. It's one intercooler. So next we're going to give it a flush and see how dirty it is. I'm going to give these pipes an inspection. Give this pipe and these boost pipes an inspection, and they're clean. And then we're going to give the turbo a clean as well. So I can get this through. It's one of the most horrible designs. Well, instead of boring you with, I'll come back again. One boost pipe's off. The other one is gonna come off. If you can see just there, there's a Jubilee clip attached to the turbo, 7mm. And I'm not sure if you can see that, but there's a 13mm nut holding the pipe to the gearbox. That's loose now. So if I get my hand on there, if I come this way, and that is now off. Once you've done that, I think you pull it that way, I'm not sure. Oh, drop the clip. think you can pull it. The bottom, oh, it's here. I've actually done this before, but I can't remember how I did it last time. I think I might have separated it. Let's try and see, is it loose? It's definitely loose. It's a bit of a faff this, so we're gonna have to separate it, I think. So I think what I'll do is okay, there's one half, there's the other. There's the Jubilee clip. The pipes look okay, they just need a good clean, I think. So that's what we'll do next. So we've got our pipe now, let's give it a rinse. Okay, pipes are all degreased. I just used WD-40 and give it a good rub with the towel. The intercooler is drying off now. Still, I was very surprised to see that there's little or no oil in it. It doesn't exactly look in the greatest condition either. Lots of fins are a bit crumbly, but I'm just going to try and open some up a bit. The ones I can salvage. Now you can do this, I have seen this on another video, but not as bad as this. just quickly show you and just do what I can. Just slightly open them up.